to get to know if I could.
Hey guys, so in this video I'm showing the process start to finish in real time of how my upholstered headboard was applied to the wall. So these panels were made bespoke because I tried so hard to find something like this that's already made, or I don't know, just a website that sells them, but I literally couldn't find anything. But then I found this lady who does them bespoke, so I told her the color I want, the texture, the shape, the size, and then she made it and sent it to me, I want to say in about 3-4 weeks. So this is my handyman. I honestly thought this job will take ages to do, but this video is 10 minutes long, and that's literally how long it took to put up, 10 minutes. So he's using what's this glue called? I can't remember what this glue is called. I think Coke or something. He's using that. And he put that wood thing there basically just to prevent the panels from sliding down because of the type of glue that he's using. So after a few hours, once it's all dried, then we removed it basically. So he's basically just putting the product on the corners and in the middle, and then applying it to the wall. The reason he knew which order to put everything is because you can see the back of the panels have been labeled by the designer in terms of alphabetically, so he knows which order everything goes in. But it looks really nice. It was a really quick application. Like, we were both shocked at how quick it was, and they've not moved out of place. They look really good, and I'll show you in my bedroom tour as well how it all looks. So yeah, keep watching. Please ask me any questions you may have, and please subscribe. Thank you.
KO.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
KO.
I would like to get to know if I could be. I would like to get to know if I could be.
KO. KO.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
KO.
I would like to get to know if I could be. I would like to get to know if I could be.
KO. KO.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I